In this lesson, we will learn about nth roots of real numbers. Let us begin by observing the following. If 2 power 2 is equal to 4, then we say square root of 4 is equal to 2. So what we are saying over here is root 4 is nothing but 4 power 1 by 2, which is equal to, we know 4 is 2 square. So 2 square whole power 1 by 2. And if you observe now, this is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. So applying that, you get 2 power 2 times 1 by 2, 2 and 2 cancel out, and it's equal to 2. So square root of 4 is equal to 2. That's exactly what we are saying here. Similarly, if 2 cube is equal to 8, then we say cube root of 8 is equal to 2. The same can be explained as follows. Cube root of 8 is equal to 8 power 1 by 3, which is equal to 8 is 2 cube. So 2 cube whole power 1 by 3, which is again in the form of a power m whole power n, which is equal to 2 power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled and it is 2. So cube root of 8 is 2. Similarly, 2 power 4 equal to 16 can be explained the same way. So fourth root of 16 is equal to 2. So we can generalize this by saying if a belongs to real numbers and a is greater than 0, that is if a is a positive real number, and n greater than 0 and n belongs to z, which is n is a positive integer, and b power n is equal to a, then we can say nth root of a is equal to b. So b can also be represented in exponential form as b equal to a power 1 by n. Nth root of a can also be expressed as a power 1 by n. Next we will talk about surds. So what is a surd? If small n belongs to integers and if small n is greater than 1 and a belongs to rational numbers and a is greater than 0, that is if a is a positive rational number, and if a is not an nth power of any other rational number, then nth root of a or a power 1 by n is called surd of nth order. Nth root of a is called the radical form of a surd and a power 1 by n is called the exponential form of a surd. Also, nth root is called radical sign, n is called degree of radical, and a is called the radicand. So now let's work through some examples to understand surds. Consider the expression cube root of 7. This is in the form of nth root a. The radicand a over here is equal to 7 and the n here is 3. So n is a positive integer which is greater than 1 and a is a positive rational number, and a over here, which is 7, cannot be expressed as the third power of any other rational number. So cube root 7 is a surd of third order. Right? Similarly, let's take another example, cube root of 8. Over here, again it's in the form of nth root a. The radicand a is 8 and n is 3. N is a positive integer greater than 1. The a is a positive rational number, but a over here, which is 8, can be expressed as the third power of 2. So this can be expressed as a nth power of another rational number. So this is not a surd. Whereas square root of 8, which again is in the form of nth root a, where radicand a is 8, n is 2, n is a positive integer greater than 1, a is a positive rational number, which is 8, but 8 cannot be expressed as the square of another rational number. So, square root of 8 is a surd of second order. So, nth root of a is a surd if n is a positive integer greater than 1, a is a positive rational number, and a cannot be expressed as the nth power of another rational number.